Welcome to CertFuel. In about 2 minutes, I'll show you how to use the app to pass your exam. Let's get into it. Your studying is organized by unit. Open any unit and start at its introduction page, which tells you exactly what you'll learn. Every unit has its own podcast and video overview, so you can listen on the go, then read the lesson. When you're ready, lock it in with a quick quiz and a round of flashcards for that same unit. Stuck on something? Tap Aiden, your built-in tutor. Ask in plain English and get a clear answer tied to the lesson you're reading, without leaving the page. Now the part people ask about most, the practice page. There are 3 ways to quiz here, and each one does a different job. First, Smart Study. It's adaptive, so about 6 of every 10 questions come from your weakest areas. That means it will feel hard, on purpose. Think of it as a tool that hunts down your gaps, not a score that says you're ready. Flat numbers here are normal, and a good sign you're still finding things to fix. Second, in the middle of the page, Custom Quiz. Pick one unit to drill a weak spot, or select every unit for a quick, random 10-question check to see where you stand. It's perfect for short study sprints. Third, the practice exam. It uses the real exam's topic weights, not your weak areas, so it's your truest predictor. Most people land within a few points of their actual score. For memorization, use smart flashcards. They run on spaced repetition, so cards you find hard come back sooner, and cards you know stretch further out. A few minutes a day keeps the key facts fresh right up to exam day. Your Progress tab shows where you really stand, a readiness gauge for the whole exam, a clear breakdown of every topic, and the achievements you unlock as you keep going. That's the tour. The best first step is a smart study quiz to find your gaps or a custom quiz to see where you stand. You've got this, and we're glad you're here.